Good morning everyone. After a long time we are back on our e-learning session of our subject Business Communication and Management. In earlier sessions we have finished our 3 units and rather we have even started our unit 4. Now today's lecture we will focus on the topic MS Word, the role of MS Word in business communication. Okay, so we will just revise what we have seen in earlier lectures. What is the role of social media in business communication? Obviously, the social media in this pandemic period, the importance of internet, the importance of social media, digital platform has been largely increasing. Rather, we, the people of every country, they are working with the help of this social media or network or these all online kinds of teaching. Now, considering that, okay, we are moving forward towards our education also with the online platform, online teachings. So, coming to our topic, MS Word, the role of MS Word in business communication. You all are aware about this MS Word. What is this? Microsoft Word. Okay, it is a word processing application. In earlier lectures also we have seen what is the meaning of MS Word, what is the role, why there was a need. Because if we want to communicate with the help of computers, then you need some platform, you need some way to communicate with others. Okay, for example, in the business, if you want to send an email, if you want to send an letter to the another party, to the another person with whom you are dealing in your business, then you require some platform, and these are the different applications which is given by Microsoft Word, that is Microsoft Word, or it is application, it is one of the word processing application. Now, what is the role of MS Word in business communication? Okay, why there is a need means if you want to write a letter to someone, if you want to draft a letter and send it again to anyone with the help of email in the letter format, then MS Word is the best option or the best application available with you. So the role of MS Word in business communication has various features, various characteristics and importance. So coming to that, the first point is it is an effective tool for creating all kinds of documents like letters, reports, memos, magazines, etc. Any typing work related, you can use MS Word. Means if you have to write a letter, if you have to write any data, for example, if you want to prepare your own notes, okay, then you have to take the help of MS Word. All the data is compiled in MS Word, so it is an effective tool for creating all kinds of documents like letters, reports, memos, magazines, etc. All the data, okay, the length you want to type, for example, say 50 pages or say 100 pages, you can compile all the data in a single file of MS Word. So it is an effective tool for creating all kinds of documents like letters, reports, magazines, newspapers, each and every kind of data related to typing work. You can keep your data, you can keep your information in MS Word file. Okay, then second is it offers specialized tools for formatting documents. First of all, you have to type your work. In that, if something you have typed it in a wrong manner, or if you want to make some corrections, so that is why it offers a specialized tool for formatting documents. Means that particular changes, it's called formatting. So you can format the work, you can format the information, you can format the data which you have entered in that file. So it offers you the specialized tools for formatting documents. Now which kind of formatting you can make in this Word file? That is, it facilitates to check spellings. If you have made any spelling mistake, then you can correct that also. Check spellings, grammars, errors related to typed data. Okay, it means this is one of the main feature which is offered in MS Word, that is formatting. You can format the data, you can format the information Okay, otherwise in the absence of this MS Word, otherwise you have to write a letter. If any mistake has been made in that letter, you have to again rewrite the letter. So that time is saved, that hard work is saved with the help of MS Word. Means you can easily make the formatting in your MS Word file. It facilitates to check spellings, grammars, errors related to type data. Next is, it is useful. MS Word is useful for creating text of large volume. Just now we have said, like magazines, okay, reports or letters or a big typing work which consists of 50 or 100 pages. Then it is useful for creating a text of large volume. If your data is more, the information which you want to save in your MS Word file, although it has 200 pages, 300 pages, you can use the large volume text in MS Word. You can save all the data, all the information related to the typing work, related to magazine, related to reports, related to letters in a single file. Means large volume of data can be saved in a single MS Word file. Okay. Then fifth is useful in importing files from other softwares. Now importing and exporting of data. It also facilitates, it is useful in importing and exporting the complete data which you have kept in another software. For example, Tally. Okay, if you want the information which is already in Tally but in MS Word form. So what you can do, you can import and export the information from the other softwares in the MS Word. The data which is there in Tally, you can import that data, you can convert that data into MS Word file, and that MS Word file you can make changes in that MS Word file also. So it is useful in importing files from other softwares like Tally or any other. So it is said that it is useful in importing the data, importing the files from other softwares like Tally, etc. So this is all regarding the MS Word. Likewise, we have to see what are the features, what is the rather role of MS Excel and MS PowerPoint in business communication. But before that, you need to understand, and all of you are going through with this MS Word. Whatever the information or the study notes which are provided to you by me or say by any other teacher, those are in MS Excel files. So what you have to do, you have to go through with this MS Word and role of MS Word in business communication, so that you can write in your exams related to these topics. Today we will stop here. Thank you.